Hey everyone, I wanted to provide an update on my programming progress. Last month I took a break from my data analytic projects using Python, and I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to pick up a new programming language. I chose Typescript because I wanted to create a portfolio website. I'm thrilled to share that I've developed two web applications since then. The first is a straightforward workout logger built with React, Vue, and Node Express. The second is a portfolio website using Next.js. I'm just going to demonstrate the functionalities of this web app. So I developed a very simple login and register page, very unflattering because at the time I just wanted any template so that I can make sure the backend logic was working properly, and I didn't end up cleaning it up afterwards. But here we're going to register a new user, and then we're going to log them in. So once you're logged in, you're able to pick a date, choose a body part, and choose a couple exercises. Once you save, it'll be logged in this history. Then you're able to refresh it or delete and repeat. This single page application allowed me to start to understand the foundational concepts of React, such as components, props, and hooks. I played around with making custom providers and custom hooks. Additionally, I got to familiarize myself with Tailwind CSS features such as animation, interactivity, and responsiveness. For the backend, I opted for a simple SQLite database and employed JWT tokens. Overall, TypeScript was pretty intuitive in this context, and I truly appreciate the component-based architecture offered by the React framework. This project also provided a valuable opportunity to refine my understanding of CSS and HTML. For my second project, I utilized the Next.js framework, and since it's built upon React, it allowed me to dive in immediately. My initial intention was to create a horizontal scroll for my pages, hence the consolidation of all the content on a single page. While I didn't implement this feature in the end, the modularity of Next.js offers the flexibility to easily refactor. Entering this project, I had hoped to find a base template to address the layout challenges I had faced in my previous project. However, I ultimately crafted everything from scratch. In retrospect, this was a blessing in disguise. My proficiency with HTML and CSS significantly improved. Some notable features of this project include a dark and light mode toggle, a contact form backed by an API to send emails, with a limiter API to prevent bot activities. This is a demonstration of the limiter API to accept a certain amount of requests over a period of time. I attempted to introduce a custom theme, but my current knowledge at this moment is limited for a better solution to approach this case. And as my current understanding, Tailwind doesn't accommodate alternative theme mode classes aside from dark mode. I tried to achieve a similar effect using data attributes, but it wasn't the dynamic solution I had envisioned. In this project, I designed a resume page to allow a visitor to view and download my resume. The portfolio section has tabs for current programming languages that I use and allows a user to view a demo of past projects. This web app I made for my CS50 capstone project using Python kind of gives a glimpse at where I started in terms of CSS and HTML. I got a better understanding of handling responsiveness, and while there are still holes because I didn't utilize custom breakpoints and stuck to Tailwind's default, I'm happy with the design thus far. To conclude, while I didn't harness many of Next.js's advanced features for this specific project, I'm pleased with the progress I made. I'm shifting my focus back to Python, driven by my passion for crafting functional APIs, exploring new machine learning techniques, and undertaking fresh data analysis. I've enjoyed my experience with TypeScript and anticipate using it in future projects. As I am approaching my 1 year self-taught programming milestone, I just want to say thanks for watching and stay tuned for my upcoming 1 year reflection video.